Hi everyone, this is RapidFlow Finance team. For this dev post ETH Dubai Hackathon, we have come up with a new idea like DeFi protocol, which will help every startup company or SMEs who is actually facing the credit period issue. Most often they don't get paid on time from their client, right? So during such period, what they always do, they go for OD or loans from the bank with some high interest rate and manage the day-to-day business activities. Through this rapid flow finance, we want to reduce this pain and through crypto lending for genuine and trustable invoice with that speed. Thus, we call it as rapid flow. With proper credit score calculation, now lenders can choose the right borrowers and assure that they pay back on time. What it does, of course, every user is getting onboarded on here through the KYC, which we will use to eliminate the bad actors and build the trust. Users once onboarded, they can submit their invoice and mint NFT, right? So this NFT will be like I would say a unique in nature, which will be tagged with every request they are raising from this platform, and the lenders will be able to offer the loans with a different interest rate. So, in a nutshell, as a borrower, I will raise a loan request and I will be able to see the plethora of different, the loan offers from the participants, such as corporates or bankers or even liquidity providers. Anybody can lend the loan here. How we built it, of course, we use Solidity as a smart contract with a lot of features, custom features, and we are using plugin for Oracle price feed, and we are also using US plus CGO and then PLI as a the mode of the trade between the borrowers and the lenders, and all these pricing feeds are from plugin. We are trying to take it to next step through different complex functionality. Of course, we'll see it in later. Let's start the demo. Look at it. This is how the landing page of Rapid Flow Finance looks like, right? Which will give the users a quick idea how they can get onboarded, how they can do the KYC, and how they can see the offers. If you look at it, currently we have three loan requests raised by the participant and of course the borrowers, which has been offered by the respective lenders, right? And let me log in as a borrower first. This is a new borrower. I'm connecting to the dashboard. Once I go to dashboard, it immediately shows me the message. I should perform a KYC, right? So we are not onboarding all the actors here. We just need to make sure a genuine person is coming to the platform and performing the KYC. I need to fill the data. For testing purpose, I will say my data like this. Right, a KYC applied for borrower and document some number, dummy number for the demo purpose. Upload the image, passport image, front page, and then back page. Choose incorporation, my company number with the company license certificate, and then I finally read the terms condition and abide for it. So once that is done, it goes to the governance committee of this platform, who will actually go through, scrutiny this application. They'll ensure all those verifications are done, and then finally they approve it. Okay, so I'll wait for it. I'll do the approval in the backend through the admin panel. So by the time it goes through, I will quickly show you what are the options I have as a borrower. I will be able to create an offer. I can, create the list of offers which I raised, and then I can also see the payback, which I have to supposed to pay back the loan, right? So now the KYC is approved. I will just quickly refresh my screen and see. Yeah, since the KYC is approved, I get able to see the dashboard, right? Like how much loan I have request, nothing. It's a pretty plain applications. Now I have an option to create an offer, right? I will have to upload my KYC. sorry, invoice. I'm just uploading the dummy data for now for the purpose of demo purpose. Then purpose of invoice, I would say um, t-shirt like 1,000 shirts to export. Okay, for exporting. And total invoice amount, let's say I'm saying 2,000, and total amount 2,000 USD, right? And I'm saying 1,000 USD I'm expecting as a loan amount. I wanted to go with PLI, right? So it shows me the total amount of PLI I would receive, right, for this 1,000 amount of USD. So once I read the terms and condition, I create this offer. Once this offer is done, what happens, this offer goes to all the lenders who are available in this platform. They'll get notified, and they can come and participate. Of course, they will be able to offer the loan for different interest rate. To look at it as a borrower, I can see how much the offer is created, and of course it is pending, and there is no offer, I would say, the loan offered by the lenders yet, right? So for the purpose, I'm just logging out here. I'm going to the other UI. So here I'm going to connect as a lender, right? So account 5 is a lender. I'll connect as a lender. In the lender page, the landing page itself, I can see, there are multiple options. So here, this is the one which is raised by the borrower. I have an option to request. I'm going to say, hey, I'm ready to pay this, and I have this much PLI in my wallet, and I'm ready to pay this asset for the interest rate of 5% and 30 days, right? In 30 days, I will get 5% of interest rate from this borrower. So once I submit the request, the amount of PLI get directed from my account, it goes to the smart contract. Like which multiple stakeholders can offer, to the same loan. The borrower is the one who will decide which loan to accept, which, to deny. Okay, now the offer request is created. I can also go to dashboard, and I'll show, the offer I have requested, okay, which will be approved by the borrower. I'll again go to the other page. I'll connect my wallet as a borrower. If I go to the dashboard, I can see I'll have to go to create list offer, where I can see there is one request now, which has been submitted by the lender. Just go to here, I can see it here. So let's see let's submit one more offer to the same loan. Okay, so that you will be able to visualize how as a borrower will have an option to accept the offer or deny the offer. Okay, I'm going to the other page. I will just go to landing page. I will request a same loan. I'm submitting for different interest rate now, like 10% for 60 days. Okay, the same loan. Now, as a lender, I submitted two requests, one with the 5% interest rate for 30 days and the 10% interest rate for 60 days, right? Now it goes to the borrower. Now borrower can decide which one to accept and then take it forward. Okay, now the offer is requested. Now let me go ahead and refresh it one more time. I can see two requests, right? So here I can see that the interest rate is 5%, tenure 30 days, and asset price greater than. Similarly, the interest rate 10%, tenure days 60 days. Now I can decide, I can value it, okay, whether I'm good to go with this offer or this one, because I will get 60 days payback time, but the interest rate is high, quite high, right? So what I would choose, I would just go with this 30 days time period. I would accept it. The moment I do that, my token value will get increased. If you look at it, then currently I have 33,449.7 PLI. If I refresh it, it goes to 53,000, right? So which means I have received the loan amount into my wallet. Now we can say that there is only one room that I have accepted, and I can pay back anytime. Whenever I have a money, I can pay back it. Now, if I go to the actual dashboard of the lender, right? So I can see that one loan accepted and one loan denied, right? Now I have an option uh, to get back, because this loan already I sent it, but I have to get back this loan, right? Because this has not been approved by the borrower. I'll get back it. Okay, so now the token has been withdrawn to my wallet. It's all set. Now, as a borrower, let's assume that the time is almost in maturity state. Now I'm ready to pay back the loan. I'll simply click pay back loan, right, which will calculate along with the interest rate, and then the amount will be again moved to the smart contract like escrow account that can be claimed back by the lender once more. With all this, payback on time, the credit score of the borrower will be calculated. We are also having a machine learning in the back end, which will calculate it. If you look at it, there is an interest rate of 999 for the period of 30 days, final paid as a 20,981 PLI, right? And this will be the one which, lender will be able to receive it. I'll go to the payback list where it shows that, I can claim back this amount, right? Just say claim back loan. It'll take a few seconds, then we should be good. Yeah, it's all done now. If you look at it, it's all in just few clicks. As a borrower, as a lender, they should be able to contribute to this lending platform uh, through the efficient algorithm which we have built, and the smart contract will take care of all the settlement. So here the borrower can trust the blockchain, and the borrower can trust the lender as well. Lender can also can see the credit score of borrower, and then they gain some confidence, because at the end of the day, when it comes to lending and borrowing, we need to have a proper trust between these two parties, right? That we were able to achieve it. There are many more features to be added here, like we'll be having a separate token for this entire platform, which will drive this the dividends to the contributors, the stakers, and there are more things comes into plan for the future. So with that, I think the RapidFlow finance demo comes to an end. If there are any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.